Hey team, Tim from Sam Machinery here. I'm going to take you through a quick how-to on how to measure bulk density of your fertiliser products. So first step is take a container, any 1 litre container will do, put it on your set of scales, tear it off. Then you take the container, go get a sample of your fertiliser, bring that back to your scales, read what it says on the scales, and that will equate to your bulk density of your product. So for this example, it's 954 grams. Converting that to bulk density, that will be 954 kilograms per cubic metre, and that will be used to then calculate your spread. If you want a more accurate sample, you can take several samples and then average that, then you're good to go.